All right, Smita. So can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Smita. So how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you. You say
Yeah, I'm good too. Thanks. So let's start.
yes,
Why
ma'am.
don't you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. My name is Smita Sharma. I'm from
Okay.
Mirzapur. Now
Mm-hmm.
I live in Noida. I was born on 15 July. I am 27-year old. I completed my bachelor degree from BHU, which is situated in Varanasi. Uh,
Okay.
there are two people in my family, me and my dad.
Mm-hmm.
The my father is farmer, and my mother is no more. She passed away when I was 6 months old. Uh, Now I worked as physiotherapist with Nivan Pain Management Company for 1.5 years. In Nivan Pain Management Company, my job responsibilities were to help people recover from injuries, disabilities, illness, uh, their their moment, and reducing pain. We assess each patient conditions and create the treatment plan and guide
Okay.
them through the exercises, manual techniques, and electrotherapies. And our goal is to help them regain physical activities, mobilities, and independences. We also teach them how to prevent further problems through ergonomics techniques, movements, and lifestyle habits. That's it.
Okay. All right. So how many years of work experience do you have, Smita?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I have a 3 year experience total, but in Nivan, I worked 1.5 years.
Okay, you worked for 1.5 years.
Yes,
Okay, all
ma'am.
right. So, what have you learned during these 5 years as a physiotherapist?
Yeah, uh, how to prevent problems and proper assessment, patient conditions, uh, and uh, uh, and proper guide them through exercises or manual techniques. And I am work with chronic pain in patients.
Okay. So you take care of chronic patients and you help them relieving their pain
Yes, ma'am.
by telling them the exercises, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So tell me something about your hometown. Are you from Delhi or somewhere else?
Yes, ma'am. My hometown is in a village in Mirzapur.
Okay.
I completed my schooling from Mirzapur, and the people in my village are very disciplined, and there are many waterfalls nearby my village, like Rajdari and Devdari's Velam falls, and there is famous temple in my village is called Vindhyachal Mandir. Vindhyachal Mandir.
Okay.
Whenever I go home, I feel sense of peace. Thank you.
How often do you visit your hometown and what do you do when you visit your hometown?
Uh, I go home, so I I get uh, uh, at 6 a.m. and uh, then I make bed and then clean my teeth and then take shower and
Mm-hmm.
I make a breakfast for my dad and myself. Uh, and I iron my clothes, comb my hair, and then I get dressed, and then I make lunch for myself and my dad, and then I study 1 an hour, and that's it.
Okay. Okay. So tell me something about your favorite festival.
Yes, ma'am. My favorite festival is Diwali. We celebrate it every year, and it comes in October or November. And people clean their houses before Diwali, and we make rangoli at home, and we decorate house with candles and lights, and we we buy new clothes on Diwali, and I like cooking, and I like cooking, so I cook cook delicious food on Diwali, and then we worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi, and we exchange gift our near and dear ones during this festival, and I get to see vibrant lights everywhere.
Okay. Great. Okay. And since you have been living in Noida, tell me something about Noida.
Yes, ma'am. I'm staying in Noida in rented accommodations, and I am working here. And there are many good places like malls, cafe, and in Noida there is a famous market which is known as Atta Market, and Noida is a modern city known for IT hubs, big malls, lively lifestyle, and the road here, the roads here are very wide and clean. There are many parks and green areas. It it is an important place for job and educations, and it metro service connects with Delhi with Noida and nearby cities. That's it.
Okay. Tell me, do you have friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me something about your best friend.
Yes, ma'am. My Gaurav is my best friend. He's an engineer. He's from Mirzapur. He works and lives in Gurgaon. He's works with private organizations, and he is quite diligent. Uh, mm, uh, Quite diligent. He is an introvert and very shy person. I enjoy a lot with Gaurav, and we both spend quality time together every week, and we share our secrets, jokes with each other, and he always helps and supports me, and we feel very comfortable and peaceful in each other once. And I met Gaurav in school. We are childhood friend. We are in the same class. We started talking about homeworks and hobbies, and that we both love reading books and novels and watching the same type of movies, and that's how our friendship began.